Want to rock without the noise? Here are 5 electronic drum kits that bring practice, performance, and portability. First, Donner Electronic Headphone Christmas DED 80, $200. This pack pairs an 8-pad electronic drum kit with headphones so you can practice quietly and precisely. Great for apartment living, it offers a compact playing surface and realistic response for building stick skills. Perfect for beginners and hobbyists who want instant setup and late-night practice without upset neighbors. Second, Electric AODSK, UAED, 400 electronic headphones, $180. A feature-rich kit boasting 391 sounds that let you experiment across genres, from rock to electronic. The wide sound palette and headphone-ready output make it a creative playground for producers and learners alike. If variety and sonic exploration are your jam, this set keeps things fresh session after session. Third, Alesis Electric Bluetooth Authentic Sounds, $250. A premium option with Bluetooth connectivity and 10-inch mesh heads that deliver realistic feel and quieter play. Use Bluetooth to stream backing tracks or lessons straight to the kit. Mesh heads give natural rebound for better technique. This one's for drummers upgrading from beginner kits who want performance and convenience. Fourth, Donner Electronic Headphone included, $220. A solid mid-tier electronic kit that comes with headphones and a headphone output for silent practice. It balances ease of use with responsive pads, making it ideal for players growing their skills without sacrificing sound control. Great for home studios, bedroom drummers, and practice-focused sessions. Fifth, Donner Electronic Christmas Instrument DED 20. $160. A beginner-friendly set with 20 tones, designed for simple setup and straightforward play. It's a perfect starter kit if you want something affordable to learn grooves and timing. Lightweight and portable, it's an easy way to get playing without a big investment.